When it does fall, it has an extraordinary effect. Each sporadic downpour may only last minutes, but it can bring life, and in spectacular numbers. Red-billed quelea. They're the most numerous bird in the world. In all, more than 1 billion live here in the Kalahari. No one knows quite how, but they seem to have an extraordinary ability to locate the fall of rain and then instantly exploit the bonanza that follows. These nomads now have just 5 weeks to find food, build a nest, and raise a brood. But they're not alone. The rains have also created a plague. These are armoured ground crickets, giant insects with voracious appetites for meat. With the quelea parents away feeding, their chicks are defenseless. The adults return. But the cricket fights back, spurting its own foul-tasting blood into their eyes. The cricket is still alive, but the stench of its blood attracts the attention of others. Now it is the target. These crickets become cannibals. All too soon, the bonanza brought by the rain is over, and the quelea head off in search of the next rare downpour.